Okay, so now let's talk about how you're going to um, cancel a referral or show a referral as no-show. So let's go back to the patient chart, and then we'll go to the referral tab. Okay, so here is a plastic surgery referral. Now, if we want to, let's say we want to reissue this. The patient didn't go, and we need to reissue it for whatever reason. Okay, you click on the referral, and then you click reissue, and basically it brings up the whole thing again. So remember, you want to go through and change your flag date again. So important to indicate when actually they think that they're going to go. So let's say we push this out a month. Kind of review that you think it all still looks the same, and then save it. Okay. So now you have the new one. Okay. But very important to remember to do something with the old one, because otherwise you're just going to have a bunch of these sitting here. So what we want to do is mark the old one as either canceled or no-show or something to indicate what happened. And then that's also important because you want it to be complete. You don't want it to just sort of be sitting here as pending. So the way we are doing this is we actually go in and we edit this. So we click the edit button, and we're going to come down here and we're going to say no show referral reissued. Oops, reissued. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to mark that complete and save it. Okay, what that does is it now shows very easily when somebody comes here to look at this what happened with this referral. Oh, okay, it was a no-show, and then the referral was reissued. This is a much better way, I think, to handle this than to do a response. And the reason is that if you go in here, if you go into this referral and you click respond, whatever you type, here, I'll show you what I mean. Let's say you type the same thing, no show, and then you save it. You're not actually going to see that no show unless you actually click the plus sign to see it. So we actually prefer to do it this way because it's much more easy to see when you glance at the patient chart.